It's time to talk cold front. There's a front on the way in the valley. Should be here tomorrow, probably first half of the day, and temperatures will turn cooler behind it. It's really sped up a lot. It's in South Texas already. We'll track it in a second. 70s valley-wide right now, 71 on the island, 74 across a lot of the mid and lower valley. Then you get up to the upper valley, 73 to 77 degrees the range. Future track suggests that overnight we drop into the low 70s, and that's where we hold, with the exception of the island, through about 6 o'clock in the morning. But there's the front knocking on the door already, and by 9 o'clock, it's making its way. It's already through Starr County, working into Hidalgo County. Look at the temperature, drops 10 degrees right behind the front. This is 9 a.m. Let's go to about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. By then, temperatures are in the 60s in the upper valley, still 70s in the lower valley, and then by late in the day, it's through. Everybody's into the 50s. It looks like late morning probably is an average across the area, maybe a little bit later at the coast. By the time you get to this time tomorrow night or 11 o'clock, pretty much the whole valley in the 50s. So a chilly night tomorrow night, close to normal for this time of year, and that's where we start the day on Wednesday. By afternoon, there's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We do climb back in the 60s again Wednesday. And then Thursday, we start rather chilly in the upper 50s and climb back up probably to 70 or so. So we look at the highs this week. This is your average high, 74. We're going 73 in the morning tomorrow, then falling, and only 62 on Wednesday. Back in the 70s Thursday and Friday, then the 80s through the weekend. Our nighttime lows stay right about normal for this time of year. The average low is 53, and we'll be in that ballpark, but then we warm back up by the time we get to the weekend. There's the front. It's 53 in San Antonio, 54 in Victoria, but along and south of the front, 70s. Front's moving pretty slowly right now. It went through San Antonio early today. It's just taking its time coming southward, but eventually it will push in. 49 in Austin, 40 in Dallas, 43 tonight in San Angelo. It's a messy weather map across Texas. Snow and ice in parts of the Panhandle. Lots of rain in North Texas, and another disturbance sitting back over here to the west of us is triggering some showers out in northern Mexico and West Texas right now. So the front pushes through tomorrow morning. With the front, maybe a shower, but most of the rain is to the north. We go to tomorrow afternoon and maybe a leftover shower. Tomorrow night into Wednesday, I think, as this little low moves across, that's probably our best chance for rain at about 30 to 40%. And after that, we dry out. I think we're dry for the rest of the forecast period with just a slight chance of something sneaking in just in time for the weekend. If you look at your 7-day rain chances, they're not real big. 30% tomorrow, mainly tomorrow night and early Wednesday. Then we're dry Thursday and Friday. Then the chance shows up again, but just a slight chance over the weekend. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, 60, but we may not get there overnight. It may take till first thing in the morning before we drop to that behind the front. Then tomorrow, cloudy, turning windy and colder. That's 73. Will be a morning temperature. Then we drop to 54 tomorrow night, back to 62 on Wednesday, 71 on Thursday and Friday, and the weekend we're back in the 80s. Again, maybe a brief shower on Sunday. Best chance for a shower looks like it'll be tomorrow night. That's your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.